Hey, buddy.
Right there.
Thank you. What makes this the famous?
So this is the second bar because we're talking about what happened when I got gas down in the street over there.
Okay.
And what people are interested, but they want to kick me out of the White House.
Okay. What's going on here tonight?
I don't know. I didn't do anything. Let's go in.
We'll stay outside, okay?
You go in.
I'll go in just a second, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
You know, here's the thing. What's your name?
Dakota.
Dakota. Love that.
Thank you.
People don't like me. They never go out.
Bro, I just walked over.
And when I do,
She ain't on there, bro.
they have a
He's trying to figure out what's going on.
down here now. And I was just in the bar right down from us.
Okay, am I wrong? I just walked up.
And
Oh, yeah, you know.
You're true. You're true story. You don't know nothing.
Yep, I was out there with you earlier. Yeah.
so that guy got to call us my son for no reason. When I was
I'm like,
meeting with
everybody
black
should be
people
happy.
in their
I
bar,
swear to God, that's me.
talk
I be
about
the
the
one
disconnect between the police.
It could do it, bro.
I'm with
At the
you.
And I
last story,
understand
waiting
that,
for a
but those
ride.
guys
Nigga,
can't.
me,
They can't.
it be me. Every time.
What can I
Like,
do?
every time.
Who called us this time? What happened
She,
this time?
I don't know what she just did.
Some girl
I don't think she did shit, though, really like that, though.
started calling me a really bad name. I'm a teacher. And I'm Tim's wife.
I know.
And I've been working my
And
ass
it's
off
called
for
you
the
gonna
good.
learn them. And then you need to stop.
For everyone. And I am leaving town pretty soon, but I'm going to get out and get the word out before I leave. And so you guys, wherever I go, are probably going to get called. So what
Are
should
you
we do?
enjoying? I told you don't inhale it.
Well, I don't want you having to have the police called on you all the time.
They're going to get called on me all the time because that's who I am.
Okay. Why do you think they're getting called on you? I'm just asking. I've never
They don't want to hear it. They're never members.
Okay.
The police department have every right to do to me what they did.
Okay.
Shut the hell up,
You
Christine.
want to know what I get
Your
out of it?
husband sucks.
No, seriously. Okay.
He's a pussy. You have no business in this town. I can't even tell you
No,
about
true story.
hate mail we've received.
Say you don't inhale,
This is
right?
why Tim Abbott is not.
Even without inhaling.
I'm sorry to hear that. I never had a problem with him, so I can imagine.
It's on the Crosse Police Department, honestly, for what they allow to happen to me. And I don't know if you know this, but they kept investigating me, and I have a boring life, and I found nothing, so they dropped the charges, and also they put me through hell forever. Do you know what happened?
I heard about it because you told me last time, but I didn't know about it otherwise.
Practice.
I wasn't there that
Can
day.
you please look it up?
Why can't you look it up? You told me about it.
Are you cared about? Do you care about justice within your department?
I do. Yep.
Look it up, please. Who's this guy?
He's my partner.
You know what happened to me.
If I be honest.
I'm not going to answer you. You know what happened to me. I'm Tim's wife. Where have you been?
Like just now?
Did you just get here?
No, I was talking to other people.
No, you just got into La Crosse this year?
We
You
had
were-
dinner together over at Turbo like 6 years ago.
And you're going to pretend like you don't know what happened to me?
I know why I don't know what happened to you. I don't know what that has any bearing on tonight's situation. What happened tonight?
Can you explain to him?
What do you want me to explain?
This town is going to shut Tim and I down everywhere we go because of what happened to me. Because the police department said that I did something wrong. All these white fucking motherfuckers think that I did something wrong. Even though the police department dropped all the charges. Even though the police department continued to investigate me when they had no rights.
So what does that have to do with tonight?
Nothing. I don't even know who called the police on me.
A few people.
You should go ask them.
So they've already told me. They
What
said
did
that
they
you
say?
were pushing people and touching people and trying to push people off their stools and acting disorderly. So
Well, you go ahead and believe them. This is the guy right here. Let's go talk to him. Come on.
no, we're not.
Christy.
Hey, tell him what you think about me.
I didn't touch you once.
When I pushed you off your bar stool, right?
I never said that. I said that you should get out of the bar when the bar owner told you to get the hell out of the bar.
Yeah, I know that.
You never touched me, and I never touched you.
used to live on A Street.
Hey, are you guys listening?
Yeah, are you listening to this? Is good.
don't know my name.
The bar owner was telling her to get the hell out, and I was encouraging her to get the hell out because the bar owner was telling her to get the hell out. Then she called me a bunch of names, and then tried to run at me, but I fell. but then got back up. She never touched me, I never touched her, but she was verbally abused of. Why was I encouraging you to listen to what the bar owner's instructions were to get the hell out of the bar? I encourage you to listen to that as she said for you to encourage me to tell you that. Because, well, she was unnecessary mess. The bar owner was trying to get her out of the bar because she was overly intoxicated and they didn't want her in there anymore. And she wasn't listening. She started fights with people, and then she was being aggressive with people. I was in there the entire time. It was horrible. And then she sat down in the middle of the bar and acted like a child. And when she was acting like a child, when the bar owner was yelling at her, I was like, yeah, just get up and get the fuck out. Like, just go. Like, you can go now and there's no problem. We're not to involve you guys or anybody. You can just go home. But unfortunately, she wanted to choose this route. Yeah. And I mean, I worked downtown. I'm a kitchen manager. I'm a bartender. I've done it all.
You've seen it all.
Yeah. She needs to go. I don't care where she goes. I don't care where the fuck she goes. But she needs to go. But she definitely did start the first fight.
I'm gonna go inside, man.
Kristen, stand here for me.
You know my name.
She definitely did start the first fight.
You going there?
And she
Who's gonna accept there?
definitely was trying to get more fights after that.
Okay, I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
Thanks for the
No
info.
problem. And if you need my name, I'll be in there. If you need
You're here.
I just came up for a
I did
cigarette,
nothing
but
wrong.
Thanks, brother.
since she called me out, I'll
Because they're white fucking.
Thanks, man. Same thing. Almost to a T. Minus,
Same person.
We wanted to...
You know what I told him? I said I'm not leaving until the police come.
Yeah, let me talk to them real quick, okay? All right.
You just hang up there for a second.
We didn't fight anybody, but we've been escalating. So that one was one to argue with the bar until police got there. This one showed up and said that she was trying to verbally attack people, push people off bar stools. Didn't necessarily come at him. He was tripping and found and tried to go away from her. So it looked like he attacked her. He definitely touched her.
So the guy that I was talking to, she's been pushing people. She walked up to the gallery.
just for the record, I will go to court and I will testify what happened. Under oath, no fucking problem. So if she wants to make this continuing to be a thing, she can make it a thing and it can be her thing.
I get it.
Okay, so
Or
explain
come
why.
right now and you guys can just quietly escort her away from the fucking situation. That's all I have to say.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it, brother. No worries.
If they let you go, then you go.
Stay here.
Take it away, or just
No, because Tiff's not gonna do it. Because you guys already had talked with her before, right?
we did, and she was supposed to go home. And she told us, look, I'm going home. She lives right behind. Chances are over here. She's like, I'm gonna go home. My parents are coming over. I got friends in. I'm like, great. We didn't do anything then.
These guys are here because that guy is another white supremacist.
I'll grab
I'm not worried
the
about
guy that I
the police.
calling him a white
Stay away from
supremacist.
me.
Yeah, so I'll grab my other guy's info. I'll write down what he says.
Yeah, this guy's gonna be a good witness.
Yeah, so I'd say, just ask over here.
Let me put on space in the car real quick.
Is it not good?
1 second. I'll pull that out. Excuse me, Prince. Thanks, brother. $54. I do have a third car in the area just for transport purposes, please. Appreciate it, D-Flow. We'll be right on 3rd Street here in front of John's.
John, do me a favor. Good job, stop,
Something
bro.
about this guy. Petey.
Hey, listen. Good job, just.
Actually, I don't feel safe.
No,
in
no,
this
don't
city
get
anymore.
belligerent. Get out of here.
What's more is, if something happens to me tonight,
This is my job, bro. Bro, this is what I. You know that. I swear to God, nigga.
You're good.
Bro,
I just called you
bro,
a
I
nigga.
do this shit, bro. For real.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is it okay if we talk over here for a second?
I do this shit for real, for real.
You come over here and talk to me. And my name is Christina, and you know me.
I'm just
Don't
calling
call
you
me
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why?
Thank you.
Christina.
Because I asked you
Christina,
not to.
Is it okay if we talk over here, Christina?
No, I don't know what you want to talk to me about,
Okay.
but I'm pretty sure you can do it right here. No one's
Sure.
here.
Unfortunately, you do have to go to jail tonight, okay?
Wait, let me put.
So-
They're arresting me.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll be in here.
Yes, sir, we will. I'm gonna take this out of your hand, Chris. I got it. Cool. Yeah.
Christina, just want to make sure he's not too tight on you.
I'll make sure they take it because I don't know you personally.
Yeah,
Do you guys think I deserve to be arrested right now?
Yeah, I'll get it for you, okay?
Do you think I deserve to be
First off, I don't
arrested
know
right now?
what you been charged with.
I don't know. What am I being charged
You
with?
can arrest for disorderly conduct.
Disorderly
You
conduct?
been detained.
I'm a white girl. I don't want to deal.
Whoa! That was just discrimination towards me. What the
I'm
fuck?
gonna grab her.
I need my
Grab
purse.
Yeah, I got it.
I'll
That's
give it
fine.
to you. If I knew her personally, I'd
This
give it to her.
hurts.
But I
This
don't.
hurts.
You're
I-
welcome.
but I-
All
on
night,
my
officers.
fingers?
They don't fuck with nobody. They don't
Better
fuck
luck
with
next
nobody.
time,
Bro,
buddy.
I know you don't fuck with nobody.
I need you to put that wallet in my
Yep,
purse.
I'm gonna carry it all the way over there. Okay? Just like
No, I
this.
want you to put it in my purse.
Well, let's go and then we'll make it happen.
Yep.
Okay?
Thank you.
I'm not getting in a car until you call Tim.
What's that?
I'm not going in with you guys. You're hurting me.
Oh, it's because you're not.
Need a lot?
Yeah.
Next spine problem.
Is there a reason why you're doing this, Christina?
Yeah, because help me! Ow! Ow! You guys! Ah! I'm not gonna walk! Ah! Let go of me! You're hurting me! No! No! Why? What did I do? Why am I under arrest?
Yep.
You guys are hurting me!
People's coming right here.
No, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
I don't have a blue key.
Oh, it's fine. We're going to defrost
You guys are
this.
gonna
Our
get
stores
big
are
fucking trouble for this.
I think you're
We
working your
are
way there.
watching
Can we
you
walk
guys.
We've been super nice to you.
This is nice.
Please, I don't want to have to carry you, okay?
You're not gonna carry me. You're gonna drag me like you just did.
Drag you, ma'am.
That hurt.
Okay.
I have. I can't get in there.
Can you please go in the car?
No, I. Shut in a small space.
We'll open the
In a
window
car.
for
No,
you.
no, no. You can't do it. No,
Please?
no. I can't get in there.
It's a short ride.
No, it's not.
We don't have another
no,
car, I'm
I
sorry.
can't. I can't. I will do anything you need me to do. I'll walk all the way down there, but I can't
not
go
gonna
in
walk
there.
down there,
walk
okay?
down
You
there.
guys
I'm
have already hurt me.
Christy, just listen.
No,
Okay?
you listen.
You don't have. I don't want
If
anything.
you guys arrest me and put me in there right now
Yep.
for doing nothing,
I don't want anything.
You are under arrest for
Y'all-
disorderly conduct.
for what?
You shoved somebody right in front of us.
You're so full. of
Christy, can you take a seat on your own?
No,
we
I
don't want to
can't.
have to
I
force
can't
you
get
in there,
in there.
okay? If
You guys
you
force
force
me in there.
you'll get a charge for resisting, okay?
No, you can charge me already.
We're
Because
gonna.
I have.
Well, we are charging you with disorderly
telling
conduct. Because this is the choice that you have and the only option. Choice, okay?
We'll roll down the window
you're-
and bring some air
Nope.
in there for
It
you.
No,
doesn't
you're
matter.
not.
I trace.
I don't
We're not going to walk all the way down there because we already had to carry you here because you were being uncooperative.
I can't believe you're doing this.
So please and thank
After
you.
everything you guys have already done. No.
We're trying to be decent.
No, I
please.
can't. You're not being decent.
Please.
You've been here
Please
forever
don't
and you
hurt
know
me.
Tim.
I do know Tim.
I can't believe
That doesn't have anything to do with your
Yeah, it
actions.
does.
Can you
I
look
didn't
to your
do
left?
anything.
Can you look to your left?
No, I can't. For you?
Okay, ma'am.
Probably jail dick, right?
Yeah. I got like $4 and a lighter, so I'll see you over there.
Sounds good.
Anything else over there?
I picked it all up.
Do you have it or does she have it?
That purse is in the back.
I'll meet you at jail, take care of that.
Did you call 95 at all?
No, I don't think we did.
No, because she just decided to try to fight us right away. Yeah, I mean, I literally looked at her and I'm like, you shoved the dude right in front of us. She's like, you liar. I'm like,
Red She's like, do you see that? I was like, she just shot me.
all right, you good here, buddy?
Yeah, we need to grab his name and then
You got guy in the blue name and then the guy in the red. Do you want me to help here or do you want me to just go with him?
just go with him.
All right. Excuse me, sir. Good, how are you doing?